Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to reset Paxful forgotten password. When you don't remember your password, you can easily reset your Paxful password. For this, you need to first open your Paxful application on your mobile phone. Now here you can see Welcome to Paxful page. You can tap on Login option on the top and then here you can see Login page. Now here you can see Forgot Password option on the very last. You can directly tap on Forgot Password option. After this, here you need to first enter the email address that you have used to create your Paxful account on the given box. Then you need to tap on Reset Password option. Then you need to go through the process of intelligent verification. You need to scroll the given circle so that the piece of puzzle fits the picture perfectly. After this, your verification process will be completed. Now you'll receive a 6-digit code on your mail address. So open your Gmail application and look for the mail that is sent from Paxful. After this, tap on the given mail and then look for the 6-digit code. Now you can copy the code or remember the code and then you can go back to your Paxful application and enter the 6-digit code. After you enter the 6-digit code, you'll be directly guided to another page. Now here you need to create a strong password with at least 6 characteristics, symbols, uppercase, numbers and lowercase. After you do so, tap on Save New Password. After this, tap on Let's Start option on the down. Then here you need to log into your Paxful account. For this, you need to enter the email address that you have used to create your account on the given box. Then you need to enter the new password that you have created. With this, tap on Login. Now you need to again go through intelligent verification process. You need to drag the circle so that the puzzle fits the picture perfectly. After this, your verification process will be completed. Now here you can set PIN for your Paxful account. You can enter the PIN and then you need to re-enter the PIN. It will help you for quick access of your account. Then you'll be directed to home page. After this, you'll be able to reset your Paxful forgotten password. This is how we can reset Paxful forgotten password. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.